Which day of the year is observed as National Doctors' Day? First July. Which country of the following neighboring country India has signed MOU in the field of health research? Nepal. Sri K.V. Sampath Kumar, the editor of the world's first Sanskrit daily, has passed away. What is the name of the Sanskrit daily? Sudharma. National Postal Workers' Day is an annual event that takes place on which day? First July. Name the CEO of Niti Aayog whose tenure has been extended by the government for 1 year till June 2022. Amitabh Kant. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Indian Federation of United Nations Association? Justice Shambhunath Srivastava. In how many states Center recorded approval for the revised implementation strategy of BharatNet through public-private partnership mode? (16) The K417N mutation is associated with which classification of SARS-CoV-2 virus? Delta plus. Which institution has released a study on the not-for-profit hospital model in India? Niti Aayog. When is World UFO Day observed? July 2nd. What is the rank of India in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? (20) Who will be the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Vivek Ram Chaudhary. In 2020-21, India reported a current account surplus for the first time in 17 years. What was the rate of current account surplus in financial year 21? (0.9%). When National GST Day is observed? First July. What is the interest rate on the senior citizen savings scheme for the second quarter of 2021-22? 7.9%.